Hi, today we're going to discuss how to convert a Notion form into PDF file on automation. For this demonstration, I have got a 2 week notice letter form available over here, and I've got certain fields or details in this particular form. Once the user fills in all the details and they click on submit, the responses will come under the responses view in the database over here. I've already created two entries out of the particular form, and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF file on automation. For this, I'll be using this tool known as PDF Output. PDF Output will help you process PDFs from Google document with the help of a Notion database. So the document is where you will be editing the template to convert to PDF, and the database is what will contain the information that you want to convert as PDF file. We can create anything such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that you are planning to generate on a day-to-day basis in this automation setup. Let's click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then we will be able to see how the automation will work out to generate the PDF file on automation. So I'm going to quickly sign in over here, and then we will understand how to create the rest of the steps for the PDF generation. Once you log in, the very first thing which you need to do is you need to connect your database which you already have on a Notion account. So we'll be connecting this database onto the selection screen. After that, we need to add a document from the database, and finally we can map every property of the database one by one onto the document to generate the PDF file. So let me click on add Notion database, and I will simply copy the database title which I have on my Notion account, which we'll be using inside the selection screen. So let me go inside the selection screen where I need to add it. So click on select pages and put the title inside the search pages field. You should be able to see the particular form appear over here. Click on this and it gets added up. So whenever you're looking to add a database or a form, always enter it inside the search pages and then add it. Click on allow access, and now you should get access to the database, which you can see in the drop down that will be visible within a file. So if you click on the drop down, you should be able to see the 2 weeks notice letter form. If it is not showing up, simply try reloading the database once or twice, and your database should definitely appear in the drop down. Sometimes it takes a while to load the database, so please have some patience, but it should definitely appear in the drop down that is shown over here. So I'm going to reload the database once more, and we should be able to see the 2 weeks notice letter form showing up over here. If you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the notice letter form showing up over here. Next is adding a document to this database. So click on add Google document. If you already have a notice letter template available on your drive, go with an existing document option and choose the template that is already available from your drive. I don't have any document available on my drive which I can use for this automation setup. So what I will do instead is I will add a demo document which it will create with all the placeholders automatically created within the document. So you can see it just created a new document right from scratch, and it added all the placeholders of the Notion database directly within the document. So we have employee ID, we have employee name, we have notice date, all the fields are showing up inside the document. And everything is put inside double curly brackets on both the side. So whatever properties you see in the database over here, it is already showing up in this document with double curly brackets on both the side. So when the document will be generated, the employee ID will be replaced with the employee ID column that you see over here. The employee name will be replaced with the employee name field that you see over here, and so on for all the other fields. Now, if you want to proceed with this exact setup, you can go with download PDF. But if you want to add any properties onto the document, let's say you want to add employee name once again, click on copy, go to the document where you wish to add it, and simply use Control V or Command V on a keyboard. It will paste the property onto the document. So you can copy paste any property onto the document like this, and it will create the new mappings for you directly within the document. So once everything is in place as per your suitability, what you can do is you can define how the PDF file will be named. So I want to generate the PDF file as per the employee ID that I see over here. So I will select employee ID. You can obviously go with employee name or any other field, and then I'll click on download PDF. As I click on download PDF, it will automatically generate the PDF inside the PDF file column. It will try to read any property which is set as ready to generate. So if anything is set as ready to generate, it will be converted to PDF and it will be stored in the PDF file column. So make sure to mark your records as ready to generate whichever you're looking to convert to PDF before you start downloading the PDF, and then the PDF will be created within the PDF file column, as you can see right over here. This is how the automation will work, and it generated two PDF files right inside the database, which I can click and see the records. So if you click, you will be able to see all the placeholders automatically mapped with the database entries, and we have two records created out of this automation. So this is how we generated two PDF file right from the database. Now, if you want to automate this entire thing, just click on Setup Notion Automation, and this will generate the PDF completely in automation, which means whenever user will click on Submit, and a new entry will appear in the database. You simply need to mark it as ready to generate, and the PDF will automatically be created within the database right over here. This makes the process truly effortless and convenient, as all the automations now happen directly within the database. So you simply need to mark the record as ready to generate, and the PDF will be created within the database for your use case. So in this process, you do not need to use PDF output again and again to set up the database and the document to generate the PDF. As once everything is in place and you click on Setup Notion Automation, you will be able to generate the PDF directly within the database by simply setting the record as ready to generate. That is the power of using this automation tool. So I hope this entire demonstration was clear to you. If you have any questions on the same, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries. I'll be able to address the same. Or else you can go to the bottom of the home page where you will be able to find the contact window. Click on this and send me a message through this contact section. I'll be able to reach out to your messages and reply back. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automations available. That was it from my side for the entire demonstration. I hope this was clear to you and you start generating a PDF on automation mode in the correct manner possible. And you can see it has started processing this document, and soon it will be converted